Hi everyone, so welcome to the channel. So hope you are doing good. Please subscribe if you're not done before, and um, please share with your friends. Well-being, whoever is dreaming of building a dream house and good healthy lifestyle. In this video, we will be seeing how to maintain the Athangudi tiles flooring. The very first one. So there are 3 points I have. First point, first 90 days floor map process. Okay, so there is a traditional approach after laying the Athangudi tiles. So for the first 90 days, so what it does is every week you have to take a bucket of water and pour some I think some very some amount of coconut oil into the bucket water and mix it, stir it, and use the mop, do the floor mopping. So this process we have to do weekly once for at least for 90 days. This approach has been followed in at our Karakudi palaces, which is being a traditional one, which makes the more cooler and more shining, and it which will be directly benefit for our health, which gives good air and a good flow grip, and whatever it is, everything is good for health. Second one, no chemical. So don't use any chemical substances for mopping. Just use plain water. That's it enough. That is enough for since we are using color oxides, do not use mop chemical substances for mopping at any point of time. Then if you use it, the color will be faded away soon. Frequent mop, that is a regular mop. Yes, do the mop regularly, at least 2 times in a week. Mop it and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends.